Let the Mermaids Flirt with Me by Mississippi John Hurt. Okay, so to get this going, we're gonna have a 3 on the second string that comes in like the and of the 4 of the previous measure. So it's like a little pickup note. Now when we get to the downbeat, we have a D string and a 5th fret we just slid into on the second string. And then we're gonna go G string with little 3, and then A string open with 3 on the second string to 1 on the little string with D bass. So we got. Now we're gonna go to a C shape. We're gonna hit the 5th string 3 with the little string, the first string open. Then we're gonna have the 2 and the 1 from a C chord, 2 on the D and 1 on the B string at the same time there. So we got. So 3 with the little open to 2 and 1 from C, and then we're gonna switch to a G bass, and then we're gonna, with our thumb, kind of hit this 2 and open here in the middle strings there. So we have. Okay, now we're gonna move to an F chord with a thumb bass here on the big 1. We're gonna have. So I did 2 notes on the little string after 1 with 1 bass here on the big 1. And then the 3-2 on the D and G strings from an F chord. Now here we're gonna hit the second string with the big bass note. And then we're gonna go 3 and 3, D string and B string to the little open. And then we're gonna jump to this. So let's go back to that F thing. We got. And then dee-doo-dum-dum-dum, ding. So that was 3, C note, and then G, A, B, C, and then E note here, second fret of the D string. So from that F, we got. Okay, now we're back to F. Now we're gonna have the big string with the 3rd string to the 2nd string. So 1 and 2 to 1. Then we have the 3 on the D string to the 3 on the B string. So we got. Now that last part was bass, and then 2nd string, and then this chord here of the 3 and the 2. So we have. So that was that F measure. Now we're gonna have 5th string 3 with G string open, and then 4th string with 2 on it and open on the little string. And then it's kind of an alternate bass to the G back to that 2. So we're gonna have. And you can kind of hit that chord of a little 2 and open there, part of a C chord. So let's look at everything so far. We got. Okay, now we're gonna get into like a G7 chord after we get into a G. So we're gonna have 3, 3 on the 2nd string as we do that bass. And then D string back to the 3 on the 2nd. And then we're gonna have the G7 where we have a 1 down here on the bottom string. This whole bit's gonna go. So that was big string with a little 1 to the 3 here. And then D string 1 to 3 down here. So we got. And as soon as we hit that 1, 3 with the D bass, we got G bass, middle strings open, G bass again, 2nd string open to 4th and 1st at the same time. So let's look at that in context. We got. And that sets up the next thing. Okay, so let's look at everything so far. Okay, then we're ready to get into the new part. Okay, so those 2 measures are going to be a repeat, so we already know those. So let's look at this new thing. We got 3 on the 5th string and 3 on the small string to 5 on the little E there. And and then D string to little 3. And then we get into a C shape. We have the 5th string with the little string, 3 and open. So we got 3 and 3 into 5. And then D bass, open to 3. And then C bass, open there. And then 2, 1 from a C. So we got... And I like to take that pinky there and it's ready for the C shape. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're gonna have, so that's still C bass, but it's 3, 1 in the 2nd string. Got our little middle chord there with the thumb. Alternate bass, middle chord, and then we get into our F thing we've already done. And this little run, and then we're gonna go. Okay, so that's gonna be the whole end thing. So we got this F. So this one we don't go so fast. We just do 1, 2, and. So we had the F bass up here with the 2nd fret of the G string, and then we hit the 3 on the D string with the 1 on the 2nd string. So another bass, and we're gonna slide this 3 to 5. And as we slide that 3 to 5, we hit that G, just kind of like that one in the beginning where we went. It's one of those things. Okay, so as you get the 2nd note into place, you hit that bass note. And here we're gonna have 3 as the C bass and the little 3 on the 1st string to open on that 1st string. 2, 1 from a C chord, C bass, and then 2 to open, so that's gonna go. Da-dum. We're gonna have that G with the open on the bottom here, kind of a G6. So that was big one and little one, 2nd string, and then D string to G string. And then we have 3 on the bass with open on the 2nd string. And then we'll hit the 2 middle strings open to that C right there that leads into that little bass run again. So let's look at the whole 2nd half where we had the 3 to 5. And then we have the ending. Okay, so I'm gonna play it all the way through twice for you. You get the gist one more time. So thanks for watching, y'all. Blues all on the ocean, blues all in the air. I can't stay here no longer, I have no steamship fare. When my earthly trials are over, cast my body out into the sea and save all the undertaker bills. Let the mermaids flirt with me. Here's how I would do the ending. Save all the undertaker bills. Let the mermaids flirt with me. Save all the undertaker Let the Mermaids Flirt with Me, Mississippi John Hurt. If you have not heard him, you must check him out. He's one of the greats of all time. Greatest fingerpicking, greatest country blues, greatest voice, greatest stories, greatest songs. Mississippi John Hurt. Rest in peace. Talk to y'all later. Thanks a lot.